head on over to your nursery and grab some flowers. I've got some awesome tips and tricks for you.
If you're trying to clean your tools, add a little baby oil to them first. Plant as usual, weed your garden, and they'll clean right off. Another tip is fertilizing plants that you can't reach. So grab a cardboard paper tube, place it into the plant, and sprinkle the fertilizer down the tube into the plant's root system. Filling a large flower pot can get very expensive, so here's some tips and tricks for what you can do to fill them. Use bricks and rocks, plastic bottles, sticks and branches, mulch, leaves, recycled paper, magazines, pool noodles, a pizza pan. What I'll be doing for this particular flower pot is adding straw to the bottom. And then you have two options. Add a potted flower that's already potted into it, therefore placing a smaller pot into the larger pot, which will require a lot less dirt. Or you can remove that smaller pot and place it into the flower pot. Add some extra dirt around it and plant it as normal.
Now for a quick break to acknowledge the sponsors of today's video.
When I'm not working in my garden, I relax while playing a chapter of June's Journey. Have you ever played? So June's Journey takes place in the 1920s, and it's a detective story where you have to find a bunch of hidden objects in this mystery game, and there's a wide variety of diverse cast members. I love that this is a free game that you can download on mobile, and that all you have to do is find these hidden objects, and they're in this beautiful and colorful scenery, whether inside the house or outside the home, and traveling throughout this game. It's got such amazing scenery. And of course, being a DIYer, one of the things I love to do is to be able to customize or remodel or fix anything in the mansion or the garden on this island. So June's Journey is not only available on iOS and Android mobile devices, but you can also get it on PC through Facebook Games. Download your June's Journey game right now for free by clicking the link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. And I hope that you'll join in on the fun.
When you're removing plants, right after you purchase them, give them a little squeeze and they'll come right out of the container. If you have a hole in your flower pot, place a coffee filter into the bottom. This will keep your soil into the flower pot, but allow the water to drain out. Next, plant your plants as you normally would. To water those plants, one tip I have for you is to take an old liter bottle, remove the label, fill it with water, place the cap back on top, poke a hole into the top of that cap, and give the bottle a squeeze and it will water your plants. If you're making a seed starter, plant your seeds as you normally would. Take a 2-liter bottle, cut the base off, place that 2-liter bottle on top. This acts as a terrarium, allowing your seeds to automatically be watered and grow. Save those coffee grounds. Don't throw them away. Use those to fertilize your plants. You can also fertilize your plants by adding a little Epsom salt to the soil around your plants. Place any supplies you need into a bucket. I always place all of my tools and my gloves into a bucket, and then that makes for ease of carrying everything I need across the yard as I work from one place to the next.
And I hope this inspires you to try some of these gardening hacks of your own. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.